Through winding roads, we learn who we are meant to be. Each mile reveals a truth of our hearts once couldn't see. Travel breaks the walls we quietly built inside and turns our doubt to strength with every stride. Keep moving forward, let your spirit roam free. The world awaits the person you are becoming to be. Hello friends, welcome back to Explore with Solina. It may be just 2-day trip, but it truly feels like we were sitting in a lap of positivity. We were in beautiful Coonoor, DevaShola hotel. All details are mentioned below. Now just relax, watch the video and let your mind soak in the good vibes.